Hello everyone, welcome back to Seven Sense Talent Solution. Today we are going to look at Dell Off-Campus Drive for 2019, 2020, 2021 batch students and how to apply for this drive. Before we get started, for the latest job opportunity, please subscribe our Telegram channel which is given in the description and also our YouTube channel. And if you like our YouTube videos, please press that like button and don't forget to share the video. Now let us see something about the company first. Dell is an American multinational computer technology company that develops, sells, repairs and supports computers and related products and services. It was founded in 1984 by Michael Dell, who is also the present chairman and CEO of the company. Dell Technologies helps organizations and individuals build a brighter digital tomorrow. The company is made up of more than 165 employees across 180 locations across the globe. It is the world's third largest personal computer vendor by unit sales as of January 2021, following by Lenovo and HP. Dell is the largest shipper of PC monitors worldwide. Okay, Dell is helping customers move into the future with multi-cloud, AI, and machine learning through the most innovative technologies and services portfolio for the data era. Okay, that was about the company. Now let us look about the eligibility criteria. BE BTech student from the branch of CS Electronics Engineering can apply for this opportunity. Cutoff lies 60% throughout your 10th, 12th, and graduation. There should be no active backlogs. You should have a good communication and presenting skills, a good team player. They are looking for a fresher. Even the experienced person can also apply for this opportunity, like 2019 batch students, 2020 batch students who are working. Okay, you can also apply for this opportunity. And moving on, now coming to the job position, they are looking for a software engineer who can join them in the team in Bangalore, and the salary will be around 6 LPA to 8 LPA. Coming to the skills designed in a candidate that the company is looking for is that you should have a basic knowledge of programming languages, operating systems, and virtualization, debugging skills for simple programs using either written or verbal designation specifications, a good understanding of hardware and software interaction, first and experience with server storage, networking, and client technologies, insight into software architecture and applications, a good understanding of developing automated unit test cases for existing software modules, and improve UT coverage. Okay, these are some of the skills. Moving on, coming to the job description, as a software engineer, I will be responsible for developing sophisticated systems and software basis of customers' business goals, needs, and general business environment, creating software solutions. Okay, these are your responsibilities, also job description. Now, let us see something about the job responsibility when you get selected. I should be able to develop, test, and integrate code for new or existing software while following source code revision control, troubleshoot software reliability and performance issues, review requirements, specifications, and design, developing and implementing tests for product and quality and performance assurance, assist with the development and review of the end user documentation, drive idea generation for new software products or for the next version of existing product. Okay, there were your job responsibility when you get selected. Coming to the rounds of selection, in the first round, you will have an online test, or sometimes even may interviewer may call you for taking interview, where you will ask questions on technical questions like your programming languages or other concept like DBMS, OOPS concept, etc. Okay, if you are given an opportunity for writing or online exam, the questions will be on quantitative aptitude, analytical ability, verbal ability, and technical section will be given for you. And the time limit will be around 90 minutes, and it will be a moderate round. Okay, coming to the next one, that is the technical interview, on-site interview, where the questions will be on data structure, algorithms, operating systems, computer networks, C++ concept, and DBMS, and etc. Skills you have mentioned in your resume, other than what I've told here, they may ask questions on it also. So be prepared in all the manner. It will be a tough round. Coming to the next and final HR interview, where the questions will be on your qualification, communication skills, on your project, and your personal information will be asked. Okay, it will be a easy round. Moving on, now let us look about some sample technical questions for your reference. Write a Java program to print Fibonacci series. There will be Okay, they may ask you to write Java program to print the given pyramid in the technical round. Like questions will be asked like what are the different types of modules available in SDLC? What are the software metrics? What is modularization? What are the functional and non-functional software requirements? How do you remove duplicates from an array in place? Difference between stable and unstable sorting algorithms. Okay, these are some of the sample technical questions for your reference, guys. So make sure that you get prepared for technical round in all the manner. Moving on, how to apply for this opportunity. A registration link, this sort of will be given in the description. So make sure you click on it. I'll show you how you can apply for this opportunity. Okay, guys, after clicking on the link, you will be taken to this website where you can check the designation that I told you. Location is given, and this opportunity has been posted on 6/29/2021. That is last month 29th. And you can also see the responsibilities that I told you before in the video, requirements, skills that are required. Okay, please check the information that I told you before in the video. If you want to apply for this opportunity, please click on apply now button. I will be taken to this page. You can also skip this step if you don't want, because you are logging into this website, adding information. If you want to skip this step, you can skip website. Coming to the next one, skipping the step, I will be taken to this page where you need to enter your mail address and password to apply for this opportunity. Or if you're a new user, please click on create account and enter your email ID and password and create register for this. Okay, guys, after you are signed in with this using your password and email ID, will be taken to this page where you can apply manually or autofill resume. Or if you have applied before using this website, you can also use your last application. I will going to apply through manually. Also, you can apply it with LinkedIn. Before they have given a question like how did you hear about us? Uh, how did you get know about this opportunity? There's a lot of options given. Click on any option uh, from how you got information about this opportunity. Another question is also given like, have you ever been employed by Dell Technologies? If yes, yes. If no, no. And which country you are from? Give your name, last name, your family name. Please enter your address, city, postal code, and your phone details. Okay, after you entered all the details, please press on save and continue. After you press on save and continue, you'll be taken to this slide where you need to enter your work experience if you have any. You can also continue without adding work experience. If you are a fresher, don't add work experience. Please add your education details, like enter your degree, college name, school college name, engineer college name, when did you join the college, when did you graduated. Okay, you can also add a resume. Please add resume. Resume is mandatory. Okay, guys, after you have entered your education details and resume, you will be taken to this page where you need to answer some of the questions will be given for you. Please read the questions and answer it properly. After answering your questions, please click on save and continue. Okay, after you answered some of the questions in application questions that I've given in the previous page, after you have pressed to save and continue, will be taken to this one where the terms and condition will be given, and also they will ask your gender. Okay, please click on the tick mark after reading the terms and condition and press on save and continue. And after you press on it, you will be taken to this one, the review, where you can review your application details. Also, please cross check all the details that you have entered is correct, and please press on submit button for your application to be submitted. And after submission, you will get a confirmation mail from the company. Okay, guys, that was. If you have any queries, please comment down in the comment section. We will try to figure it out. Okay, guys, I would like to add one more thing. We have a different placement opportunities for the different price range. The link will be given in the description. Please check out that where you can have a minimum of 50 placement opportunities along with company specific test training. Please check out that. The link will be shared in the description. That was it. Thank you guys. Signing off.